To determine if you have a narrow or regular PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Silicone AdvantEdge blade on a narrow PTB arm. Locate the buttons on both sides of the adapter. Squeeze buttons and flip open the cap. Next, to remove the adapter cover, hold the wiper blade with one hand and remove the adapter cover with the other. You're now ready to install the blade. After you remove the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Align the adapter under the arm. Press the adapter into the arm and pull slightly upwards. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Silicone AdvantEdge.